So, very good evening. One condition before the detailed talk, keep your mind open. And we are going to test you whether your mind is open or outside. So, look forward to keep your mind open here. So, welcome aboard for the evening talk. Now, read these two paragraphs, and it is interesting before we start the journey. And this is an interesting paragraph because we stay in past, we have plenty of fears, many things with us, but I think today's investment will give you a perspective of a choice, and above the perspective, I think how to simplify the life, I think that's very, very important to make the choice right. Now, one precondition, because these are all terms and conditions, because we work in corporate, so this is our habit to put some terms and condition in advance. So, this evening talk, if you look at it, stress is a choice, 10 simple rule to simplify our life. I think it's based on my exposure, experience, and maybe I have collected some traditional proverbs, some clever observations, literacy, political, corporate, spiritual, entertainment world. So all this thing is exposure experience. But what I would like to tell you, if any part of this talk means you get some idea or perspective, keep it with you. Maybe something if you think that no, I'm not okay, leave it. But what will empower you, it's your gift. What all I'm going to talk, it has nothing to do with my job, my company. These are all my personal address to all of you, right? So nothing to do with my professional career. This is all based on my experience and exposure and the talk. Now, what I want to tell you first, in search of simplifying a life, I think I have been practicing this simplifying the life almost 10 years from now, and past 10 years, and I don't want to exaggerate, but it has helped me. It has brought a drastic change in a profoundly positive way. And I believe that it can also do the same for you. With that aim in my mind today, and this is an evening talk, this program again, very interesting because it's not only understanding, but you will have some experience today. So we are going to have some exercise, and no worry, I think standing also you will be enjoying the exercise, right? Now, why this talk, which is a collection of last 10 years, and it is very valuable? Because I learned one thing in my life, that things you get with difficulty, you value a lot. Think it over. Because I just came to a conclusion that stress is a choice, and how to simplify the life to make a right choices, which is after a lot of difficulty, I was able to understand that, yeah, this is an important topic. And we will experience today. So take a deep breath and tell yourself that I am alive and I am in now. It's very important. Can you do that? I repeat, take a deep breath and say yourself, I am alive, I am in now. You are doing it. So question number one, do you believe stress we take is a choice? If you say yes, raise your hand. So I am with you, and this topic is going to help us. Question number two, which I was asking myself, but let's ask together, how many of us feel there is a skill gap to notice the stress is a choice? Meaning, yeah, just raise your hand, you agree? Lot of people. And I'm also part of you, because many times I used to take unnecessary, and the reason was I was not able to conclude and notice rightfully, right? So maybe a couple of input may help us today. Look at this picture. In life, where we focus, we never focus on the key. So that's the first clue I want to share with you. Because I had this habit in my past and sometime in present also, so I'm not exaggerating. But generally when a challenge comes, stress comes, I look at lock but not at the key. And God has given a key to us, right, to act rightfully. Now, many questions I have before the talk, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's a habit of my corporate life. 5 questions, let us ask ourselves. Question number 1, how I feel when I am under pressure. I don't want to answer, but think it over. When you are under pressure, stress, how you feel. It's very important. When you get into a stress, what you do and how you behave. I don't want to answer, but just park this question. And you will get the answer to make right choice. Okay. Question number 3, you share a stress level with close ones. Majority answer is yes, right? We do that. But sometimes we feel a pain after sharing that this story I was to keep it with me. But we will conclude later, not now. Question number 4, I believe stress is good for me. Correct or not? People may believe stress is required, right? So maybe we'll talk on this question also, but park it with you. Maybe a lot of people have a standard solution when they have a stress and they know how to manage it. But this topic is different. Not to manage the stress, right? This topic is to make a choice. And this topic is how to simplify the life, right? So again, you can connect the dot with the knowledge. Now I ask one question that I believe stress is good for me. Many people got an answer that this is right for me. Good, but it's a choice, right? Because you made a choice that I need a stress. Good, because there is supporting statements also. Look at this picture. See, in my office we have a daily dose. So this is my daily dose. Every day we get something like this. The title is Daily Dose. And many of you believe that you really, sign up. Somebody gave you a lot of stress and your true color or talent came out, right? So park it. But again, think it later. Was a choice? Was somebody pushed you? Or maybe what next, right? So just park it here. Even in the same question, that stress worked for me because there is a standard dialogue I listen. What worries you masters you. Again, this is a good hypothesis. A lot of research has been done behind this statement because I am also one of the doctor, PhD. So we always believe in this type of hypothesis, right? And we work and research also. So what we'll experience today. Now, next couple of minutes, I think max 90 minutes I have a target. This is a coverage of today's evening talk, that what is stress, and I know you have an answer. Sources of the stress, and the stress is a function of many things. We make a choice, question, and 10 simple rules which is based on my experience, exposure, and the personal notings I make every day. And even whosoever comes in my connect, I always say that make a personal note. And there are 3 tables on a personal note. Number 1, what idea I got it today, and how I'm going to convert this idea in next 30 days into action. And once you convert this idea into action, how you are going to measure it, right? So this is all the theory and practice which comes as a 10 simple rules. And finally, we'll have a question answer. I will try my best. You park this pyramid right now because this pyramid is a free gift to you. Because what all 90 minutes gives you idea, you have to understand it. Maybe from today itself start practicing, and I'm sure you will be also talking like me that stress is a choice and it has a relation with the lifestyle also. So I know all of you know this answer, and this theory is important because before we go to the detail part of it, what is stress, and everybody knows it, right? And everybody has the stress title. If somebody asks you, you don't tell stress, but you use something like you said tension. Or I listen mainly when I come to Gujarat, and couple of my friends, when they get a cell phone and they look at it and they say in Gujarati, panoti. वो भी स्ट्रेस है ना यार, पनौती भी स्ट्रेस है, राइट? सो एवरीबडी हैज देयर ऑन टाइटल फॉर अ स्ट्रेस. Maybe somebody has a positive title. Stress is excitement. Maybe, because it's various titles, right? So again, this title also come with a connected dots, because you make a choice to give a title, right? Stress is a stress. Now, couple of fact of our everyday life in the context of stress. Maybe you get stressed due to happy event. You have to organize a birthday, you have to organize a marriage function, or you have to organize company event. That is also a stress, right? But it is a exciting stress. Maybe sometimes you have too much of work and you get lost and you get into headache. You are capable, you are talented, but too much. Maybe sometimes small matters, you are very, very sensitive, convert into a stress level, right? And I know a lot of sensitive people get early heart attack. A lot of sensitive people get early heart attack. So I think for them, this is a good evening talk. So second fact of the everyday life in the context of stress. Maybe some people handle the stress more successful, but some may not, right? Even stress has a relation with the perception and perspective. So park it. And when you listen 10 simple rule, that will help you a lot. Now, you came to know what is stress and what are the sources of the stress. Now, this is a excellent, slide. The next slide is an excellent slide. The stress is a function of what? And if you understand this slide, then it will be easy to practice and lead. Okay. Now, generally in our corporate life, we are mathematical also, that if somebody say that my business is not doing good, so not doing good is a function of what? Are you not covering the market? You don't have a right talent, blah, 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 right? So y equal to fx is a mathematical formula. So now this formula is for the stress. That stress is a function of what? And if you understand it, it will be the master gift to all of us. Now listen to me very carefully. Stress is a function of ETABHD. Now first is the environment, in which environment you spend your time. That environment will convert into the related or relevant thought. If you spend more time in a library, your thoughts will be more theoretical or bookish, right? So environment, whichever environment you spend more time, it gives you the relevant thought. Now this relevant thought, which are more repetitive, will convert into action. And this repetitive action convert into behavior. And this repetitive behavior will convert into habit. And this repetitive habit is a destination, right? If you understand this mathematical formula, then it will be very easy to start the journey and conclude that stress is a choice. Okay. So park this mathematical formula, it will help all of us, right? And this has helped me a lot, because I started, introspecting that what is giving me a too much. And the root cause was the relevant environment where I was spending more time. And that's why sometimes our parents tell us, right, कि बेटा तेरा कंपनी खराब है, ये कंपनी नहीं है, environment है. You are getting my point. So that starts with E. So are you ready for some exercise? I told you this is not only understanding but experience करना है. हाँ, अभी आवाज आ रहा है थोड़ा थोड़ा. ओके, सबको आंख बंद करना पड़ेगा. कर सकते हो आप, खड़े खड़े भी कर सकते हो, राइट? नाउ यू विल लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली. आपको आंख बंद करना है, कुछ नहीं करना है. देयर विल बी अ लाइट म्यूजिक, एंड इन लाइट म्यूजिक आपको ओनली यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व योर थॉट्स. आंख बंद करके शांति से बैठना है, एंड व्हाट ऑल थॉट कम्स इन योर माइंड, यू हैव टू रजिस्टर इट एंड टेल दैट थॉट यस, एंड फिर आगे बढ़ना है. आर यू ओके? कुछ नहीं करना है, sit and do nothing, right? Just close your eyes and just start watching your thoughts. Are you okay? So let us start. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Just sit or stand. Do nothing. Keep a peace of mind and just observe your thought. You can open your eyes slowly. You can open your eyes. You enjoyed it? How many of you were successful up to 60? Raise your hand. A lot of happy people here, huh? But be honest to yourself, because I still struggle even today. See, I'll tell you, when I started my second PhD metaphysics, trust me, last 8 years I'm doing it. I have not left any sadhu and sant, and I have not left any ashram in India. And I'm still in search. You got my point. This exercise, I'm giving you a gift. Do it every day. Once you reach 60, I think you are genius. I'm telling you, you are genius. You got my point. But if you do it with your honesty, you will get the answer. Hardly few people reach to 60. My exercise, when I did this first time, it was up to 1 to 30, and even I was not successful, right? And my thought process after that, this asana or exercise, was a question that am I in control of my mind or mind is controlling me? Simple question. If you don't reach 60, because you are getting a lot of thoughts, right? And that thought back to square one, right? If thought comes back to square one, so simple question, am I in control of my mind or mind is controlling me? Later on we'll talk about stress is a choice. But number one, if you really want to be successful, you must be able to manage your mind. Mind should not manage you. Are you getting me? So this is rule number one. To simplify your life, manage your mind or control your mind, right? And if you look at the fact, 60,000 thoughts in a day, good or not good, maybe it's a formula, right? Environment, thought, action, behavior, habit, destination, right? Moving further, I think very important is mindfulness is very, very important, right? It's basically involves intentionally bringing one's attention to internal and external experience occurring in a present moment. That's very, very important. I know I'm going beyond, but I know sometimes if you don't understand, it is also good for me. Okay? Now, my personal experience I wanted to share with you. When you are mindful, you observe your thoughts and feeling from a distance without judging them good or bad. Even mindfulness means living in the moment, and it gives you awakening experience. I repeat, it gives you awakening experience. So by being fully present in this way, not forcing things or hiding from them, but actually being with them, we create a space to respond in a new ways to the situation and make wise choices. I'm connecting the dot with the exercise. We may not always have a full control of our stress levels, but with the mindfulness, we can work with our mind to make the right choices and learning how to live with more appreciation and less anxiety. right? So this is my personal experience I'm sharing with you. I told you in beginning, what all empowers you, it is your gift. And what all you don't understand, that is also a gift, right? So even if you go further in this number one recommendation of mindfulness, this is a research study, Oxford in November 2013. And it gives evidence of effectiveness of be mindful. And there is a courses also on this mindfulness. Okay. Even I had been to Bangalore, you know Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. So they also taught me this subject, right? Because when I'm doing my second PhD, I have to go to, I told you, I have not left any sadhu sant in this country, right? Still I'm in search. If you are mindful, read last 3 sentences. 58% reduction in your stress level, anxiety level. 57% reduction in your depression. See, nobody except today that they have anxiety or a depression and the stress, because we all are smart Indian and we are intelligent Indian worldwide. But at least with yourself, be honest, right? But this is the power of rule number 1 to simplify your life. Nice picture, read it. Agree or disagree? Many times this happens with me and you also, right? Wandering mind, and then you understand that you are not mindful, right? Means you are not in control of your mind, mind is controlling you. Even we can learn this particular, I think this exercise is a good exercise, what you did it right now, right? That's the masterpiece you have received today. So what is lack of focus costing you? Read the answer. And lack of focus has some connecting dot with the managing your mind. Because sometimes when we conduct a workshop on time management in our company, last what we tell them, time management is not important, mind management is important. Because your mind decide which quadrant I must work. Quadrant 2 very, very important but not urgent, right? There are 4 quadrants. But our trainer always say that time management is not important, mind management is important. And for mind management, I think you have to do a practice to be mindful. I repeat, to practice more and more to be mindful. Many times we are not mindful. Difficult. I am not guaranteeing 100% mindfulness possible, but effort, purpose and direction is very clear. Even if you are 70%, 80%, I think you are genius. And I have a formula to become genius. I always give this formula free of cost. You want to be genius? आवाज नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है? हाँ, अभी बराबर है, जीनियस बनना है सबको. देयर इज अ फॉर्मूला टू बिकम जीनियस. नाउ जीनियस इक्वल टू फोकस प्लस डेली इंप्रूवमेंट प्लस टाइम. आई रिपीट, फोकस plus daily improvement plus time equal to genius. Nobody can challenge this formula. If you are focused, you are improving daily and you are giving time, you are genius. Simple formula, gifted by Mr. Robin Sharma. He is my coach and mentor. Because in our company, we cannot ask a lot of people how to do, right? We need this type of people to coach and mentor us. Because even we also come under a lot of challenges in the life, where to go. And if I ask my dear wife, she gives me a standard advice. I don't know. She is also genius, right? So now number 2, I told you 10 rule, right? To simplify your life. इसको जरा बराबर पढ़ो, स्पेलिंग को पढ़ो, WAIT. If you balance this advice, I think it is another gift to all of us. Why am I talking? It will help you to simplify your life. A lot of people are smiling. I am also smiling. Use it. Because sometimes we talk unnecessary, without any rational, without any objective, without any requirement, and we invite stress. Okay. Moving further. Number 3. Are you ready? You know 2F? Forgive and get the freedom. We Indians are very famous to remember. देख लेंगे बेटा, हाथ में आ जा, आज तेरा टाइम है, ऐसा मत करो. Just forget it. Forgive and take a freedom. Because more you keep it with you, it will not allow you to become a genius, right? You will not be able to focus and you will not have time to improve your business or your activity, right? And you will not be able to give a time, right? 2F world is a very, very good choice. We should make it, right? I was once upon a time in this category to keep a revenge, because you don't know from where I am. Huh? We are famous from Porbandar. तो हमारे को तो ये 2F तो बहुत दूर की बात है, राइट? रिवेंज देख लेंगे बेटा, हाथ में आ जा. बट इट्स अ प्रैक्टिस. आई टेल यू, it's not easy, it's not possible in a day. Lot of people will not agree with him or herself that, and you may be giving an answer to yourself, नहीं मैं तो ऐसा कुछ करता ही नहीं हूँ. भैया थोड़ा पास्ट में हिस्टोरिकल एनालिसिस करो एंड प्रेजेंट में जरा देखो इक्वेशन कहाँ है. दैट्स माई आंसर. आर यू रेडी फॉर नंबर 4? कोई सो नहीं रहा है ना इधर, क्योंकि 2 एक्सरसाइज ऐसा किया है आंख बंद करने का. तो lot of people still with the closed eyes or open eyes? Open eyes, okay. You know, you go for, you heard about Vipassana? How many has done Vipassana? Just raise your hand. मज़ा आया था सबको? मुझे थोड़ी तकलीफ हुई थी शुरू में, क्योंकि विपस्सना में क्या करना है मालूम है? कुछ बोलना ही नहीं है, उधर वेट फॉर्मूला ऑटोमेटिक आ जाता है, राइट? वेट, व्हाई एम आई टॉकिंग, तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. बट आई वांट टू गिफ्ट यू अ मॉडर्न विपस्सना. आर यू रेडी? बट दिस विपस्सना यू विल नॉट गेट द पावर टुडे, बिकॉज दिस पावर यू विल गेट आफ्टर 22 days. आर यू रेडी टू इन्वेस्ट 22 days? ठीक है, देख लेते फॉर्मूला. दिस इज अ एक्सरसाइज. आर यू रेडी? अभी इसमें आंख बंद नहीं करना है. आर यू ओके? This modern Vipassana is called as systematic breathing by nose. कोई भी डॉक्टर के पास जाओगे सीधा बीपी मशीन लगाता है, राइट? पल्स भी बोलता है ना, और बीपी भी बोलता है. सो आर यू रेडी टू डू वन मोर एक्सरसाइज? ओके, व्हाट आई इंस्ट्रक्ट यू, you have to inhale with your nose and you have to count 1, 2, 3 inhale and take a pause for 1 second and 5, 6 exhaust. Are you okay? Can we start? We'll do at least for 1 minute. Let us start. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. No, not like Baba Ramdev. Sida is a good question and clarity. Pardon? See, 1, 2, 3, you have to inhale and you are keeping some, for a second, pause, and then say 5, 6. आप इसको 22 दिन करो. This is a modern Vipassana and it will give you some result. Okay. I told you in the... Pardon? See, you start with 3 to 5 minutes and over a period, it will be your practice. Your systematic rhythmic breathing will be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 automatic. And generally, I advise you to do it in the night before you go to bed. 5 minutes ऐसा करके सोना है. And then see the power. It is also gift by someone. It's not my invention, so I'm very open to you. It's not my invention, but somebody has gifted me. And it has worked with me, it is helping me. Try करके देख लो. I told you this particular program is not only theory, there is some experience also, right? Can you move further? Number 5. कंप्यूटर तो सब लोग यूज करते हो, लैपटॉप, कंप्यूटर. You know this button? Control, Alter, Delete. So rule number 5 to simplify. Control yourself. Now you know the answer how to control yourself. Look for alternative solution. So look at master key, not on a lock. And delete the situation that gives you tension and negative energy. थोड़ा practice तो करो. काम की चीज़ है. Because once you know and you have a capability to notice your thoughts, and once you know that you are not reaching 60, then this button will help you. I am connecting the dots, nothing else. How to simplify the life, these are all ideas. Working with a lot of people may work with you. Rule number 6, ready? Slow down. Enjoy present. Now what I want to tell you, slow down means what? We do multitasking, right? We are overloaded. And many times we are so busy, we don't know for what we are busy. You're getting me? We are so busy, we don't know for what we are busy. So, my forecast after 3 years, हम लोग उपवास रखते हैं ना, 3 साल के बाद आप सुनोगे आज मेरा व्हाट्सएप का उपवास है, मेरा ईमेल का उपवास है, मेरा वेबसाइट नहीं देखने का उपवास है, मेरा 2 दिन मोबाइल यूज नहीं करने का उपवास है. आर यू गेटिंग मी? What I want to tell you indirectly, slow down, slow down. Yes, we are doing multitasking. I know this generation, there are 3 generations I always watch. I am in middle, right? But advice to all the generation. Even if you are a middle generation or an old generation, you are also very fast. You got my point. So this is a good advice. Just park it with you and practice. एक दिन ऐसा उपवास रखो, आज व्हाट्सअप नहीं देखना है, करके तो देखो एंड सी द पावर ऑफ दैट उपवास. आई एम गिविंग यू गुड फोरकास्ट टुडे एंड ऑलरेडी आई हैव स्टार्टेड. आई नाउ डू हाफ डे उपवास ऑन व्हाट्सअप. जरा ये पिक्चर देख लो, इट्स अ रिसर्च पिक्चर. ओवर एक्टिव डिफॉल्ट मोड नेटवर्क. इफ यू डोंट स्लो डाउन, you are in this mode. When you are overactive, very fast, you bring unhappiness, anxiety, even attention lapses, and you cannot turn your mind off. देख लेना, ये तो रिसर्च वाली स्लाइड है, काम करके देख लेना, पता चलेगा. रात को नींद नहीं आती है, right? And many people advise us that don't touch your cell phone or laptop, at least if you want to go to bed, minimum 2 hours before. वो भी उपवास करने को बोल रहा है, 2 घंटा उपवास तो करो सोने से पहले. सो स्लो डाउन, थोड़ा स्लो डाउन करना जरूरी है, राइट? रूल नंबर 7, आर यू रेडी? प्रैक्टिस बीइंग रेजिलियंट. ये थोड़ा इंग्लिश वर्ड भारी है, डोंट वरी. मीनिंग ऑफ रेजिलियंट इज अबाउट बीइंग एडेप्टेबल. Because we never try to adapt to the situation. Demonetization आया, स्ट्रेस लेवल बढ़ गया था सबका, yes or no? मेरा भी थोड़ा तो बढ़ा था, but I took a choice. You got my point. Because you have to adapt to it. The time has come, the change will be every day, right? So adaptable means being flexible, recognizing that we have the strength to take care of anything, right? And if you look at this sentence, we never knew we had until we have to use them. And it is like many things in life, the more we practice, the more we learn, the more we find about the resilience to be adaptable. And certainly, the more we do of it, then more resilient we become. And this is not my statement. This is my close friend, Dr. Stephen. He is a resilient expert and organizational psychologist. जब वो एक दिन हमको ट्रेनिंग लेने के लिए आया था मुंबई में, एंड दे गेव अ इंट्रोडक्शन दैट ही इज़ अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट. नाउ आई एम अ डायरेक्टर. सो बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर को साइकोलॉजिस्ट का ट्रेनिंग का मीनिंग क्या है? हमको थोड़ा साइको होगा ना. यू गॉट माई पॉइंट. वाई दे ब्रॉट दिस गाय टू गिव अस अ ट्रेनिंग? यू नो, we were not adaptable. If any new change comes, we are the first board of director. This will not work in India. Now, if this will not work in India, then how India will grow? You have to look at the opportunity, right? I was sharing with Mr. Nair and group of people that I was a director of R&D. R&D सबको मालूम है ना, रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट. 2 साल तक एक भी इन्वेंशन और कुछ किया ही नहीं. So my boss came to me, Dr. Paresh Karia, do you think I should fire you? I was serious. Stress level बढ़ गया मेरा भी. Last 2 years I am observing you, Mr. Karia, that you are not given a single invention and innovation in R&D. You are not effective. What do I do? I said, give me 6 months more. Why should I give you? What you will do? I said, कुछ नहीं. आई एम गोइंग टू शट डाउन द R&D. Daring चाहिए, politely. I said, sir, I have an idea. I want to shut down this R&D and I want to start a new department, and this new department name will be SIT. What is this SIT? I said, System Integration of Technology. What is this? I said, sir, last 2 years I am dealing with USA. They are telling, this is already invented in USA. You are idiot guy in India. You don't know why you are investing your time and money. So last 2 years I am listening a nice firing. Even firing is also nice, positive. But he bought my idea. He said, yeah, this is a good idea. And 6 months, we were top of the world. What I did, वो साइको का ट्रेनिंग था ना, समझ गए ना आप? They made me adaptable, that if something don't work for you, you must be open-minded, right? To make some changes. But हम लोग छोड़ेंगे नहीं, right? Anyway, just park it, okay? थोड़ा पढ़ लेते. So, meaning is find the ways to bounce back. Ups and downs are part of life, right? People will tell you, I want to fire you. You take it that as a promotion, right? And I'm telling you, the day you are fired, you grow more. Because I have seen many successful people, they are fired. So it's again a choice, right? So I don't know to go too much in theory. Are you ready for number 8? आपने किसी का कभी तारीफ किया है? हाँ या ना? मैं एग्जाम लेने वाला हूँ अब भी आपका. आप हाँ बोल रहे हो. Anybody ready to take challenge to appreciate? So exercise number 4. बट हम करेंगे नहीं, आपको मैं होमवर्क दे रहा हूँ. आपको करना क्या है मालूम है? घर जाके योर ब्रदर, सिस्टर, वाइफ, मदर, फादर, वट एवर कैटेगरी, अब भी जाके उसको 2 मिनट अप्रिशिएट करना है. खाली 2 मिनट, बराबर है, बट अप्रिशिएट करना है, स्टोरी नहीं करना है. अभी मेरी वाइफ बैठी है इधर, समझ गए ना आप? कर सकोगे? कितने लोग यस बोल रहे, जरा हाथ ऊपर करो. थैंक यू. 2 मिनट ज्यादा लग रहा है. हाँ देखो, उसमें गर्लफ्रेंड है तो 2 घंटे कम है. नाउ दिस रूल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू, जब आप अप्रिशिएट करना चालू करोगे ना, तभी पता चलेगा कि जो आप अप्रिशिएटिंग वर्ड यूज कर रहे हो वो सामने वाले को पसंद नहीं है. बट आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं अप्रिशिएट कर रहा हूं. More you practice, more you take the indirect or a direct feedback, you will come to know the fact of the life. Number 1, that you don't have a inventory of impactful appreciating word in your dictionary or a vocabulary. This is the first feedback based on my exposure and experience I am sharing with you. Second feedback I am sharing with you, when I try to take a feedback after appreciating, I come to know that when I say him that you look handsome, वो स्माइल देगा, बोलता है मक्खन मार रहा है. जिसको हैंडसम बोलना है उसको ही बोलो. यू गॉट माई पॉइंट. मैं अंकल को क्यूट नहीं बोल सकता हूँ, बराबर है ना? समझ रहे हो ना? बट हमारी सर आपको बोल रहा हूँ, आप क्यूट लग रहे हो, आपको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करो, बिकॉज ये भी एक गिफ्ट है. बिकॉज मोर यू प्रैक्टिस, वॉट हैपन, अभी याद आया, एनवायरमेंट, थॉट, एक्टिविटी, बिहेवियर, वही याद रखना है आपको. बिकॉज दिस इज अ प्रैक्टिस. रूल नंबर 9, रेडी? सब लोग रेडी हो? बोले इसका ट्रेनिंग क्लास मैंने भी किया है, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल. डू यू बिलीव दैट यू आर गुड कम्युनिकेटर? आंसर नहीं चाहिए, आपके पास रखो. Do you believe you are a good communicator? Sometimes good in verbal but not good in writing. Sometimes good in verbal and writing but not good in body language. Body language is also a communication. How many of you have, joined the acting class? Raise your hand. भैया क्यों नहीं जाते हो? एक्टिंग तो करना ही पड़ेगा. समझ रहे हो कि नहीं समझ रहे हो? बिकॉज कम्युनिकेशन में सब कुछ जरूरी है. अनुपम खेर एक एकेडमी चलाता है मुंबई में, एक्टिंग क्लास, वो हाउसफुल होता है. जितना मेडिकल कोर्स में आपको एडमिशन लेने की टेंशन होती है ना, उधर वो एक्टिंग कोर्स की टेंशन होती है. ही रन वीकेंड एंड स्पेशल बैचेस एंड इवन आई हैव अटेंडेड 1 month प्रोग्राम. क्योंकि मुझे एक बार पता चला बोर्ड मीटिंग में, एंड जनरली डायरेक्टर्स हैंडल एजीएम. एजीएम मालूम है ना, एनुअल जनरल मीटिंग में हमको जूते पड़ते हैं. आज की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, बहुत पहले की बात कर रहा हूँ, और मेरी कंपनी की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, दूसरी कंपनी की बात कर रहा हूँ. हाउ टू हैंडल द एनुअल जनरल मीटिंग, एक्टिंग भी पता होना चाहिए कि हाउ डू आई डील विद द पीपल. एंड इट्स नॉट दिस टाइप ऑफ क्राउड, दे आर इन थाउजेंड्स. दिस क्राउड इज ईजी फॉर मी. यू आर गेटिंग मी. दैट एक्टिंग इज कम्युनिकेशन मैटर्स अ लॉट. अभी एक सेंटेंस देखो, जरा इसको पढ़ो. टेंशन यहां से चालू होता है, बिकॉज यू कैनॉट कम्युनिकेट, यू कैनॉट स्पीक अप, मीनिंग दैट stress is a choice, right? But the hurdle for this choice is that you cannot speak up. You are an echo. If you ask me, you are an echo. That is what this sentence tells us, right? That you can do billions of calculation, you are genius, into bracket mathematically or scientifically or engineering. But if you cannot speak up, what is the fun? The real power is with you. Speak up. And then you say that, nee, that evening talk was good, huh? I can make a choice now. The stress is a choice, and I can, work with a simplified life. That's it. You are getting my stuff? देखो थोड़ा हाई लेवल हो रहा है ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे. नो प्रॉब्लम, अच्छी बात है, हाई लेवल भी अच्छी बात है, राइट? सो रीड वन मोर सेंटेंस. आई इन्फॉर्म, आई रिमाइंड एंड इवन एक्नॉलेज यू. बट वॉट इज द यूज ऑफ ऑल दिस व्हेन यू कैनॉट स्पीक अप? आपको हर मौका दे रहा हूँ बोलने के लिए, बट आप बोलते ही नहीं हो और खुद टेंशन लेके घूम रहे हो, इनटू ब्रैकेट स्ट्रेस. तो फायदा क्या है? बोल दो ना. वर्क ऑन योर कम्युनिकेशन. दैट्स द रूल आई एम शेयरिंग विथ यू टू सिंप्लीफाई योर लाइफ. बिकॉज वी कॉम्प्लिकेट अवर लाइफ बिकॉज वी डोंट स्पीक अप. दैट्स अ डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट मैसेज आई एम शेयरिंग विथ यू. एंड आई वॉज वन ऑफ द कैंडिडेट इन दिस कैटेगरी, बीइंग ए जीनियस इंजीनियर. मेरे काफ़ी इंटरव्यू हुए हैं. आपने एलिकॉन इंजीनियरिंग कंपनी का नाम सुना है? दैट वॉज माई फर्स्ट जॉब. एंड मेरा पहला जॉब ग्रेजुएट इंजीनियर ट्रेनिंग का क्या था मालूम है? उसका जो बॉस है ना एलिकॉन का, उसका चाय लाने का, कॉफ़ी लाने का, उसका पानी का ग्लास लाने का, टैक्सी बुक करने का, गेस्ट आएगा तो उसके साथ टाइम पास करने का. यू गॉट माई पॉइंट? 1 महीने के बाद आई वॉज अंडर लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस. अभी तो आपको सबको बता रहा हूँ, बट आई वॉज ऑल्सो अंडर लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस. वॉट आई डिड? आई कॉल्ड अप माई फादर. आई सेड, पापा मजा नहीं આવતી આમાં. ટિપિકલ ગુજરાતી, મેં તો મજા નથી આવતી, આ તો નોકરી છોડીને આવતો રહું છું. એન્ડ ઇટ વોઝ અ ગુડ સ્ટોરી. હી સેડ, સ્પીક અપ, ટેલ that I am not enjoying. And that opened up the gate. That my boss understood that this engineer don't like this type of job, but my boss was also smart. He convinced me that this type of the job of coordinating will make me a superhero. Because these are not in books. How to handle the guest, how to coordinate the taxi and aircraft and railway. You got my point. This was not in engineering book. And that was a ladder, but speak up. That's a message to all of us. Last but not least, very important. सब लोग ready हो? We are on पक्का time management, so don't worry. You have to tell yourself every day that I will make a choice. If you don't remind this, even I'll tell you, I have a habit. Before any big event, I invest my time in front of mirror. Don't look at me, I do it. I invest my time in front of mirror and I talk to myself. What I talk to myself, बढ़िया है सेंटेंस, सुनने जैसा है, कॉपी करो, इनटू ब्रैकेट बेंचमार्किंग करो. सेंटेंस नंबर 1, डे बाय डे आई एम गेटिंग बेटर एंड बेटर. जरा बोलो सब साथ में, डे बाय डे आई एम गेटिंग बेटर एंड बेटर. One more. Second sentence, I have plenty of time and money for all I like to do. अभी समझ गया ना? अभी चॉइस कर सकते हो. Because generally we park a lot of memory negative. आज तो फंसने वाला हूँ, आज मरने वाला हूँ, वो छोड़ेगा नहीं यार, ये क्यों कर रहे हो? यू गेट माई पॉइंट. गिव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉजिटिव मैसेज टू योर सेल्फ. Program yourself so positively, so any negative comes, now you enjoy. And I'll tell you a lot of truth, moment of truth. I was managing director outside India. And a couple of my participant or student know this story, right? I was MD outside India in one of the foreign country. And generally as a managing director, you get a very smart young lady as a secretary. So after a week, that young lady came to me very close. Boss, you are not happy with me. Typical Gujarati Indian, 2 step back. What do you mean? Sir, that is what everybody talking about you. You are not happy with me. I said, first gaya, pretty young woman asking me, you are not happy with me. मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ? Then I just took a pause. I said, can you explain why you are not happy with me? Sir, you are not smiling at me. Again 2 step back. I said, why I should smile at you, ma'am? Sir, that is what everybody is talking. The day one you entered in this office, you are not smiling at anybody. You are Mr. Serious. And what we develop a feeling, you are very arrogant, aggressive, and angry man. You are not happy with us. So sometimes you have to take a right perspective. My point is you have to take a right perspective, right? And then I connect all the employee and give a nice open speech. I said, I understand you are not happy with me, but I would like to clarify, so everybody is serious. I said, you are not happy with me, I understand from my secretary so and so that I am not smiling. And you ask her, I asked a simple question, why should I smile at you? The speech was like, why should I smile at you? So everybody became very serious. Boss is not happy still. Then I started with a little smile. I said, I understand this is a cultural gap. Now understand me very well why I am not smiling. Do you know from which country I am coming? Sir, Mumbai, India. Thank you. You understand, right? I said, in India, we never smile. Really, sir? Yeah. देखो अभी भी कोई हंस नहीं रहा है देखो. We never smile. But sir, why you don't smile? I said, wait. I said, in India, our habit is to walk and talk sincerely. Because we are groomed. And in India, if we smile at anybody without any reason, fill in the blank, pagal samjhega. And top of it, listen to me very carefully. In India, to smile at any young lady without any reason. Abhi samajh rahe ho na? So you have to make a choice. Because depending upon the timing, depending upon the culture, वो रेजिलियंट बात हुआ था ना अपना, एडेप्टेबल बनना पड़ेगा. यू आर गेटिंग मी? बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ फॉरेनर कम्स हियर एंड दे कैरी इंप्रेशन, यार ये लोग कुछ पागल ही है. एंड वी आर सच्ची में थोड़ा हम लोग स्माइल नहीं करते, तो थोड़ा आज से करोगे ट्राई. एंड देन नेक्स्ट डे आई टोल्ड माई वाइफ, इफ आई स्माइल एट एनी बडी यंग लेडी डोंट. सो शी इज नाउ ओपन माइंडेड लेडी. So finally conclusion, next 5 minutes, make your choices that reflect your hope, not your fear. Today's investment was this only, to make the choices, right? This guy, I love him. इसका philosophy अभी तक कोई समझता नहीं है, but थोड़ा समझने का try करो. जरा sentence पढ़ो. The greatest fear in the world is the opinion of others. And the moment you are unafraid of the crowd, you are no longer a sheep. You become a lion. A great roar arises in your heart, the roar of the freedom. ये कर सकते हो तो फिर चॉइस बना सकते हो. यू आर गेटिंग द स्टफ नाउ. थोड़ा नहीं समझोगे, मुझे मालूम है, कभी कभी मुझे भी ट्यूबलाइट 1 महीने के बाद होता था, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, रखो अपने पास, काम आएगा. So finally, the last sentence, stress is a choice. Invest time to simplify your life so that you can take this life journey so beautifully, right? And थोड़ा इसको पढ़ लो. To win, to break the self-defeating attitudes and behaviors, we must understand that we have the power to choose and the power of change. We have the power to let go of old thinking and adopt the mindset of champion, right? इसको थोड़ा पार्क करके रखो. I truly hope that today's evening talk will fuel your inspiration as well as kickstart your noblest self from today to work on this area. And with that, that's all. And everything is all right, right? In the end, if not, it is not the end, right? So you really enjoyed? Okay. So with this, I say big thank you to all of you. And look forward to see you again in the evening talk. Okay. Thank you so much. I think all the guys who knows me, I think big thank you to come in a big number. And I really love you guys. Thank you so much.